Hello friends, today I show you one tricky solution. See, this is it's iPhone 7 Plus. It's restarting on Apple logo like this, you can see. And when you flash it, restore with iTunes, it's stuck in iTunes and show error 4013. So I give you a tricky solution, show you. Just remove battery. Remove front camera strip. See, check, remove front camera strip. Okay, plug in again, and now you can see. See, it's working. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.